The Experiential Advocacy Practicum offers a unique introduction to the practice of law for our students. It helps them learn about what it really means to be a lawyer. It helps them decide what kind of law to focus on in law school, and it introduces them to leading practitioners in the community who provide great networking tips and mentorship throughout their time in law school.
To the extent that the student came in with any preconceived notions as to what the student wants to do, it'll either reinforce that or perhaps point them in another direction.
You don't want the first time that you're speaking in front of a judge to be at your job, right? It's more of a deep dive, get to experience what it's like to be either a transactional attorney or a trial attorney.
During their first year of law school, they're learning the doctrines and the rules surrounding torts and criminal law. But then in EAP, they're able to use those same rules in the context of real factual situations and learn how to communicate those concepts to a trier of fact, to a jury that's going to be listening and wanting to hear the story they're telling.
Ben Stone had curtailed training.
The idea of a law student after only 5 weeks of law school be taking a deposition is really exceptional. Most lawyers don't do that until they're well into practice.
Francesca, that was an excellent job.
That combination of classroom teaching and practical skills education that you get from the Experiential Advocacy Practicum is exactly what students are looking for when they come to law school.
Each semester of the first year is broken up, the first one being litigation, the second one being transactional.
A lot of students go through law school and they never even know what transactional law means, and to get that experience gives them a real leg up.
Employers are amazed that the students get these kinds of practical skills at all. And when we tell the employers that the students actually get those kinds of skills in their very first year of law school, well, the employers then really appreciate how USD's School of Law understands what law students need to succeed when they make their successful transition to their first job and beyond.
They decided not to join the new company in the merger.
I absolutely loved it. I had a blast. I got to meet several adjuncts and develop professional relationships with them. I ended up getting a job opportunity from an adjunct that I met through the program.
And that really is what makes the program so special, connecting the students in small settings with a large group of skilled practitioners from the community. To offer a comprehensive program of skills education in the first year of law school is unique. It really sets USD School of Law apart.